Good morning, the students of class 7. How are you? I hope you are fine. So, last class I have taught you of exercise 2A up to question number 7. 3 question I have did. Now question number 8 I have already written the question in order to save the time. So, without wasting a single meeting, let me solve this one. First question of this question number 8 given is what? 81.8 divided by 0.04. First, what you will do? First, you will remove the decimal point. How you are going to remove that? You will write 81 by 8. Now, after point, how many digits? 1 digit. So, you will write here 10. Now, this division sign you will convert into multiplication sign. Now, 4 you will write after decimal point how many digit? 2 digit. You will write here the 2 digit. But when you are converting this division sign into multiplication, what we are doing? We are interchanging the digit. So, if it is 0.4 by 100, then I can write 100 by 4. Okay. Now, this 0 will cancel. This 8180 by 4, if you divide, you will get the answer. And those who are confused, let me write the first step for it. You write 818 divided by 10. Why? Because I have removed the decimal point. Now here will be division. Now I will remove the decimal point 4 by 100. Now what happened in fraction division? What we have did? We are converting this division sign into multiplication, and 100 will go up and 4 will come down. So now you divide 8180 by 4. 4 2 ja 8. 18 will come. Here you will write 0. Now 4 4 ja 16. Now 2.0. 4 5 ja 4 5 ja 20. 4 5 ja 20. No decimal point, sorry. So your answer is what? 2045. This is your answer. This is your answer. So you please take the screenshot. If you have any doubt, you ask me. Please take the screenshot. Okay, I know my students are smart. They have taken the screenshot. Let me rub this one and write the next question. In question number 8, all the questions are in the division form. So I wonder why they have given the calculate. They should write divide instead of calculate. Now question number 5 I am doing 186.168 divided by 2.4. This one how you will do? Same. You remove the decimal point 186.168. After decimal point how many digit? 3 digit you write. Division you write. Remove the decimal point, then it will become 24 by 10. Now again 186.168 divided by 1000. Convert this division sign into multiplication. 10 will go up and 24 will come here. 24. Now you try to cancel with the sum table. You see whether it is going or not. 4 4 just 16. 24 6 24. Yes, it is going by 4 table. 4 6 24. Now this you divide. 4 4 just 16. 26. 4 6 24. Again 21. 4 5 20. Again 4 4 16. 4 2 8. Okay. Now your answer becomes, now 6 you see whether it is divisible by 4 6 5 2 or not. 6 7 42. Again 45. Again 6 7 42. Again yes, it is divisible by 6. 6 7 42. 42. Again 45. Again 6 7 42. Again 34. 6 5 30. Again 6 7 42. So your answer is 7757 divided by 100. You will write. Now after now you have to write this one into decimal point. How you will write? After 1 how many zeros, 2 zeros. Now you will place the decimal point before 2 digit. Now 5 7, this is your answer. So be very careful while placing the decimal point. Okay, it depends upon the number of zeros present, whether it is given in the form of a fraction, or if you want to convert a decimal point in the form of a fraction, you see after decimal point how many digits are there. If it is 1 digit, then 1 0. If it is 2 digit, then 2 0. You please be very careful. Or you can directly also you can divide 168 by 24. Okay. If you know the 24 table, you can directly divide. If you don't know the 24 table, you can do the cutting, or you can say cancelling both the numerator and the denominator with the same number. You can find out the answer. So 24 table, so I know 24 6 ja, 24 7 ja, I know 7 4 ja 28, 2 7 2 ja 14 plus 1 6 8. Now 16, then 8, then here will be 7, again 1 8 1. 24 7 ja 168 and 24 8 ja 4 8 ja 32. No, 24 again it will be 7 1 6 8. Again 3 7 1 3 6. 24 6 ja, I know 6 4 ja 24. No, 24 5 ja. Yes, 5 ja. 5 ja, I know 24 5 ja is 120. Now 168. 24 7 ja, again 168. So it is divisible. By dividing also this value you can write here. After that you divide by 100, you will get the answer. In the both way you are correct. In exam time, whichever the process you feel easy, you do. Okay, you please take the screenshot, and don't be confused on the cancellation. First I divided both 24 and 168 by 4. After that I divided both 4 6. After dividing I got this answer 4 6 5 4 2, and here 6. After that I divided 6. I cancelled 6 with 4 6 5 4 2, and I have got this answer 7757. Please take the screenshot. Okay. Oh, I know my students are smart. They have taken the screenshot. Let me rub. Now, the next question is your about word problem. First question they have given, the question number 9, you see the cost of one pencil is rupees 0.085. Find the cost of 15 pencils. So class, if I ask you, if the cost of one book is rupees 100, what will be the cost will be of 10 books? So your answer will be what? 10 into 100. So your answer will be rupees 1000. Okay. If I ask you, the cost of 10 book is rupees 100. Okay. What will be the cost of one book? So your answer will be what? 10. And how you have got the 10? 100 by 10. So what from this two example, what you have understand? If cost of one something, any material, any object given, find the cost of so many objects, either 15, 16, any number. That time what you will do? You will multiply. Okay. If they have given the cost of one, cost of 15, 16 pencil is rupees 500. Then what will be the cost of one pencil? Then what you will do? You will 500 will be divided by 15. So that you have to remember, you have to very clear in that. So here also the same asks. So instead of number, some decimal point you will do. So what you will write? The cost of one pencil is how much? Given rupees 0.85. Okay, means 85 paise. So then cost of 15 pencil will be how much? 0.85 will be multiply with 15. Now you see how I am doing the multiplication. I am removing the decimal point. Here I am writing the 20. Why 20? After decimal, how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. Into 15. This you multiply in a rough and you write the answer. 85 into 15. 5 5 are 25. Carry 2. 5 8 are 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. Again 85 1 is 85. 7. 5 plus 2 7. 8 plus 4 is 12. So your answer is 1275 by 100. Now since after 1 2 digits are there, now you will shift the decimal point before 2 digit. This is your answer. Okay, you please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot and no need to do the rough, because for your concept clarity I have then did the rough. You please take the screenshot. Okay, I know my students are smart. They have taken the screenshot. Let me rough them. Question number 10 is also same. You will do at home. No, question number 10 is little bit different. Okay, let me do question number 10. The cost of 35 identical gifts given how much is rupees 184.1. Find the cost of one such gift. Okay, I have already given you the cost of one gift. Okay, one such from the book will get. Okay, if I ask you the cost of 35 chocolate is rupees is 150, then what will be the cost of one chocolate? 150 will be divided by 35. The same, that you will write the solution. What cost of one identical gift is how much? 1 rupees 184.1 will be divided by 35. Okay, now you see how I am doing the division. 184 1 I have written here 10. Now here nothing is there, means 1 is there. Your division sign will be converted into multiplication. Here will be 1 by 35. These two number you check whether it is cancelled by 7 or not. 7 2 are 14, 44, 7 6 are, yes, is going. 7 5 are 35. 7 2 are 14, 44, 7 6 are 42. Again 3 7 3 are 21. Now if you divide, you know the 5 table. 263 by 5, 5 5 are 25, 1 3, 5 2 are 10, again 3.56 are 30. As soon as you give the point, you here 1 zeros you can add. Now 52.5 is your answer. 52.5. If you are dividing by 10, now you will shift the decimal point again one more digit. Instead of here, you will put here. Okay, understood? I hope you have understood. And this is your rough work. You can write also for the concept. Okay, remember, as soon as you put the point, you can here add 1 zero. In order to make this number divisible. Okay, because we have to make the number as soon as much as we can. How we can make the number divisible? We have to think. In order to make the number divisible, you are using the decimal point. Okay, from where this decimal point grown in mathematics. Okay, you please take the screenshot. I know my students are very smart. They have taken the screenshot. Question number 11 also same. Question number 12 also the same. Okay, then question number 13 is also the same. Let me do the question number 12 because some student might be confused with fraction number. Question number 12. Question number 12. Let me write. What is given in the question? An athlete can jog. You know, how many of you are going with for jogging? Now too in pandemic time, it is advised to stay at home, but if you do the morning walk, it is very beneficial for health. At least 46 minutes you should walk in a day. What distance will covered by her? In what distance will be covered by her in 3/4 hour. Okay, it can jog in 1 hour. So in 1 hour you will write the answer solution. In 1 hour, distance travel how much? Distance travel how much? How much? 5.15 kilometer. Now in 3/4 hour distance travel, this I have given, that means you will copy and paste this dialogue here. Distance travel. Okay, for some students I am writing here. This will be multiplied with this. Suppose in 1 hour, if I can cut 5 pieces of cloth. Okay, in 2 hours how many pieces of cloth I will cut? 10 pieces of cloth. 2 into 5. Here also the same. 5.15 you will multiply with 3/4. Now 5.15, for how this fraction is in which fraction? Last class I explained you. It is in the mixed fraction. Now 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7/4. And you try to remove the decimal point. Here you write 1 0. Okay. Now what you can do? Either you can divide. Either you can multiply this one and divide by 4, or you can do the division 5 1 5 4 direct by 4 first. Okay, first you multiply 5 1 5 into 7. 7 5 ja 35, 3 10, then 7 5 ja 35 is 3605. Now this 3605 you write by 100 into 1/4. Now you try to cancel. It is not going. Now you can divide. Let me rub this one. You divide this 3605 by 4. 4 9s are 36. Finish. Again 0. Okay. 0. Then 5. 4 1s are 4. Again 10. It will go to 5. You divide, your answer will come. This one will come once you divide 901.25. Now again you will divide by 100. So it will be 9.0125 kilometer, or you can write 9 kilometer, approximately 9 kilometer. Okay, you please take the screenshot. And let me rub this rough part, otherwise you will be confused. And I will be just sharing you the PDF format what I am explaining. I will be just sharing you the PDF one. Okay, for today class up to that much, and question number 11 and 13 you will try at home, and you will do the homework. After doing the homework, you will click the photo and send it to me. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. If this video is benefited for you, please like and share my channel so that it can reach to the maximum number of students of your standard. Okay, thank you. Stay safe and stay at home.